Hello, my dear students and respected parents. How are you? Hope you all are happy and healthy. Today again I am here with a new letterland character. So my dear, before the start our class, kindly subscribe my channel and like my video. My channel name is Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School and this is your English Phonics class. First you will sing a poem, letterland poem with me, and you should remember this poem, right? Because this is a special poem of letterland. And you know, letterland has lot of characters, many characters for us, right? Okay, now sing poem with me. This is the way to letterland, letterland, letterland. This is the way to letterland. Come and follow me. We shall meet all our friends, all our friends, all our friends. We shall meet all our friends. Just you wait and see. Yes, in this poem, you heard that we have lot of friends. We shall meet all our friends. You just wait and see. Right? So, can you see a board behind me? Yes, of course you can see. So children, our letterland character came today meet us. Yes, he came here to see us with lot of his friends and what he likes and what he dislikes. So, I will introduce you. What is a new character today? Who came here to see us? So, look at carefully. Yes. Okay. I'm going to turn. Yes. Who is he? He's a clever cat. Who is he? Clever cat. Who is he? Clever cat. Yes, he's a clever cat. Why we are saying him clever cat? Because cat is very clever, right? Okay, now what he likes? He likes to eat cake. What he likes to eat? He likes to eat cake. Wow, yummy. Do you like now? Yes, you also like to eat cake. It's very yummy, right? Now, this is another cat. Who is it? Cat with its baby, kitten. So, this is another cat. This cat is a friend of clever cat. This cat is friend of clever cat, right? So this is clever cat. Clever cat likes to eat cake. This cat is the friend of clever cat. Okay, now clever cat likes to take coffee. What he likes to eat, drink? Coffee. He likes to take coffee. So this is a cup. This is a cup with coffee. Wow, yummy. So what is this? Wow, clever cat doesn't like caterpillar. Clever cat doesn't like caterpillar. But later you will see what will happen. Okay, this is caterpillar. And what caterpillar brought for clever cat? Caterpillar brought a carrot. Wow, yummy, healthy. Caterpillar brought this carrot for clever cat. And what is this? This is cupboard. This is cupboard. This is clever cat's cupboard, right? So Here is a candle. What is this? This is a candle. When Clever Cat likes to light the candle, right? When he has a birthday, he likes to light the candle. Very nice. So, then Clever Cat likes to eat also the coconut. What is this? Coconut. What is this? Coconut. Clever Cat likes to eat coconut also. Right? Can you see? It's a very colorful and amazing lesson for you. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you what Clever Cat is. Clever Cat's sound. Listen carefully, my dear. Clever Cat says always k. When he eats a lot of cake, he starts coughing. He starts coughing. When he coughing, then he says k, k, k. Right? This is the sound of Clever Cat. Right? Okay. Now we will say the poem of Clever Cat. Just join me. And before singing the poem, kindly like my video and share this. Okay. Clever Cat says in words, in words, in words. Clever Cat says in words, it belongs to Mr. C. And the other one. Yes, the other poem is she also makes an other sound, other sound, other sound. She also makes an other sound, an other sound. You just wait and see. Yes, Clever Cat has an other sound. When you will go the other level, then you will learn that. Right? Okay. Now you have to learn what is the sound of Clever Cat. Clever Cat's sound is k. Right? Clever Cat's sound is k. When he says k, when he eats lot of cake, then he starts coughing. Then he says k. Right? Okay. See carefully, my dear children. Whenever I brought a letterland for you, every character has a letter in his face. See. Clever Cat, round, curve round the Clever Cat's to start. Then its end under her chin. Okay. Again, you will see how many words with the k sound. How many things you have learned with the k sound. Right? Okay. You will not say it k. This is the sound k. Remember that. Candle, cat, cake, cat, k caterpillar, k cup, k carrot, cupboard, and coconut. Wow! So many words you have to learn with k sound. K sound is very rich. Yes, because he has so many things. And one thing which you like a lot, what is that? You like to play with it. Yes, I brought a car for you. My dear, you like it very much. Yes, it starts from k sound also. Very good. And when it's move, it says k. What is this? Car. This is a car. So see, so many things. K, car, k, coconut, k, candle, k, clever cat, k, cake, k, cat, k, caterpillar, k, cup, k, carrot, and k, cupboard. That's very good. So you have so many things with k sound. So how you have to write? You have to write k sound. See, k sound is already with the clever cat, right? You can see it start from here and round and round and end. Clever cat tackle it under her chin, right? Okay, now I am going to tell you how you have to write on 4 lines. You know, my dear, I am telling you again and again, you have 4 lines in your English copy. So, see, we have 4 lines page here. So, first we will revise the sounds